Hey everyone, welcome in my today's video. Before starting, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for getting latest up videos. Today I will show you how to fix AirPods connectivity issue. Tap forget this device. Confirm forget device. With the lid of your AirPods charging case open, press the hold the setup button on the back of the charging case until the status light flashes amber then white. A note your iPod's notification should pop on your screen. Tap connect. When your AirPods are reconnected to your iPhone, tap continue. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe it.